could say that I can't wait to get stuck in, but actually I've already had a go. One of the things I'm really looking forward to using the jacuzzi for is getting the whole family together, because we are a family of teenagers and trying to get everybody together in one place at the same time is impossible. But as soon as they saw that arrive, I think things are going to be a little bit different around here. I've always loved jacuzzi. They are the best at what they do. I get a stiff neck, Nick gets a sore back. We both like exercising, and just the thought of being able to settle down and have that whole spa experience at home, I actually can't believe I've got one. I couldn't believe it when I saw the truck pull up outside. One, I wasn't quite ready yet. I wasn't ready for my moment. I looked out the window and there it was. And by the time I got downstairs, the crane had already lifted this massive jacuzzi over my house. It was actually hilarious. The neighbors were leaning out the windows. The kids were beside themselves. It was brilliant, because also we hadn't told the kids that this was arriving. We'd managed to keep it a secret until literally the crane had it hovering over the top of our house. It was just fantastic. And then the moment when it actually dropped down here, it looked like a spaceship had landed in our back garden. It was brilliant. I always thought that jacuzzis were something that you sort of save for special occasions, because obviously you used them at spas and it was something that you went away to do. I've already been in it this morning, literally this morning, before the kids had even got up. And I think that's the thing that I'm really looking forward to. I know I want to get everyone together and all this sort of stuff, but the whole idea of just tiptoeing out into the back garden, lifting the lid, feeling the heat, even on a day like today, and just sliding in and having a bit of time to myself, that's what I'm really looking forward to.